Hi, this is the first scenario in the third module, controlling precedence constants logically using SSIS expressions. The connectors between the tasks in the control flow are called precedence constants. SSIS expressions can be used to control the workflow by using expressions and precedence constants. Based on expressions evaluation, let it decide which next task should be executed at runtime. Let's jump to the demonstration. We have already created this package. Here we have execute SQL task, script task, script task, and script task. We have already created a variable random number of type integer. In execute SQL task, we are generating a random number like this. We have the OLEDB connection type and the connection manager name, direct input, and the command to generate a random number. It returns a single scalar results. So we have configured to capture this result in variable random number. Let's see. It is each time it generates a random number between 4 and 7. So we have the connectors there, and based on this random number we want to execute either this first script task when the number is greater than 5, or this script task when the number is less than 5. And so for that, when you will select this precedence constant and double click on this, you will see the precedence constant editor. There are couple of options there. In evaluate operations, we have to choose this expression and constant. There are constant, expressions, expression and constant, expression or constant. We have chosen the expression and constant, and when it is success, there are success, failure, and completion. So the constant is success, means this task is completed successfully. Then we have also written an expression where random number is greater than 5. So this is the place where we write an expression to test a condition that we would need to write. And we have selected the logical AND. Okay. And then this fx, which represents the expression icon, appears there. And on second script task, when we click on this precedence constant editor, we have the same configuration except the expressions. Here we are testing if the random number is less than or equal to 5, then this task should be executed. Okay. And after that, whichever task is executed, we want to execute this mandatory task. So for that, we have also configured it like we want, if the random number is not equal to 4, then it should execute, or otherwise if this task is executed, then also this mandatory task should be executed. So for that, we do not have to write anything. This is automatically generated. When we write an expression to another constant, The corresponding parallel precedence constant, it automatically configured. You can check it like this. See, both are same. If we double click on this and choose the expression and constant and write an expression and or condition, it automatically modifies. Okay, so this is how we can configure, and let's execute this package. You can see the random number is greater than 5. It is 6. So it goes to this pipeline. Yeah. So after this script task, the last mandatory task was also executed. Let's run it one more time. Again it is 6. Yes. Now it is 5 and it has changed its path. Okay. So this is how we can configure the precedence constant with expressions to implement the flexibility in SSIS data flow, and we can control the overall workflow using the SSIS expressions.